Hello everyone. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to register on the 1688.com website. As always, go to your Google Chrome search bar and type in 1688.com. Click on search and allow it to load. Okay. Now go to the three dots on your top right. Click on it. Click on desktop site. Let's wait for it to load. You have to let the page load fully so that it can be translated to English. Alright, we are all set now. So you go ahead and zoom in. Go to the top. Right here where they wrote please sign in, free registration. That's where you'll be clicking on. So go ahead and click on it. Allow it to load. Okay, so let me zoom in so you'll be able to see it clearly. Right here we have enterprise account and right here we have personal account. We will be going for the personal account because the enterprise account you'll be needing a lot of documents to register. So we'll be going for personal account. Just click on it. Allow it to load. Okay. Here we are. So to get the full translation of this part, as you can see, it didn't translate to English. So to get the full translation of this part, we'll be using our Google Translate app. So what you do is just to make a screenshot of this part and take it to your Google Translate app for full translation. Let's make a screenshot now. Okay, we'll head over to our Google Translate app. Here it is. So just click on it. Allow it to load. So this is what the Google Translate app looks like. First, you have to change the language. As you can see here, this part is in English and here is in Spanish. And we want to change Chinese to English. So what we'll do is change this part that is English to Chinese. Click on it. Yes, Chinese. So just click on it. Then head over to the Spanish part and click on it. Look for English. Click on it. Here it is. Okay, we are set now. So to translate what we just screenshotted, we'll be making use of this camera icon right here. So just click on it. If this is your first time using Google Translate app, this is what will pop up. So just go ahead and click on continue down here. Click on continue, click on allow. Then come over here where we have imports. Click on it. Click on allow. Then choose the one you just screenshotted, which is this first one here. So click on it. Let it load. With the instruction up here, they said use your finger to highlight text. So whatever you want to translate, use your finger to highlight it. So to highlight the Chinese characters, we will have to zoom in so that we can highlight it properly. And we'll be focusing on this white space here. This space that is white. Those are the two important things we are looking at for. So we highlight the first one. This means country or region. We highlight the second one. This means phone number. Let's zoom out. Let's highlight this right here. Now this is where you fix your country code. Mine is already in +234, so I'm going to let it be like that. So let's head back to the 1688.com website. Just minimize. We are back to the 1688.com website. So now we proceed to the registration since we've checked what all those Chinese characters means. Let me zoom in so you can see clearly. So clicking here, there's no need clicking here because it's already in our country code +234. If yours isn't, you have to click there and select +234. So we come over here and input our number. Make sure you remove the first zero. So let's go. You minimize and scroll to the end with this arrow. Allow it to load. After loading, a code will be sent to your phone number, the number you use in registering. I'm waiting for the number now. The code will be sent to my phone number soon. Okay, the code is here. It's a 6-digit code, by the way, so go ahead and input the code. 881639. Minimize and click on this orange box. Click on it. Allow it to load. So minimize the page. We will be going over to our Google Translate app again to translate what this part means. Before we do that, let's take a screenshot of the page we want to translate. Okay, now over to our Google Translate app again. Click on import down here. Select the photo you just screenshotted. This should be it. Allow it to load. Okay, let's zoom in. These are the parts we're interested in. This part where the box is white. So those are the things we'll be translating. That is, we'll be translating this and this. Now let's highlight. This part means password. Let's highlight the second one. This part means member name, 25 and a half. So your username has to be long. Then this orange part, let's highlight it. It means determine. That means when we are done filling our password and our username, we'll click on determine to register. Now let's head back to our 1688.com website. Minimize as usual. Go back here. I'll pause the video now to insert my password and my username. Then click the orange box, which is the determine. Click on it to register. I'm back. So I've inserted my password and this is the username I'll be using. I'll go ahead to click on the orange box to register. So this will pop up. Let's make a screenshot and head over to our Google Translate app to see what it means. Okay, we go to imports, insert the screenshot, wait for it to load, then highlight. This first part means determine, this second part means cancel. So we'll be clicking on the first one, minimize and head over to our 1688.com website. Then we'll click on the first one and allow it to load. Let's minimize and see what they are saying. Okay, so they are saying a user with joy1234 already exists. So they are giving me options to choose from. I'll be choosing from any of these options. I'll go with the first one. So I'll click on it. Then click on the orange box to register. This will pop up again. Then click on the first option to register. We are all set. So after clicking on determine, it will redirect you to this page, and that means you have officially registered on the 1688.com website. So let's head back to the home page. To do that, you click on this 1688 written here to head back. We are back to the 1688.com homepage. Now, if you can see this favorite icon, then congratulations, your registration was successful. But if you can't see it, rather you're seeing a login icon, then know your registration was not successful. You have to follow the process again from the beginning to the end. That's all for registration on the 1688.com website. Thank you.